Okay, hey guys, so today I'll be doing a MSP glitches, so let's start. Okay, let me just get that. Okay, so first glitch of this is the no close glitch. Okay, I'm sorry about how slow it is. Okay, so let's take the clothes off. So you literally press OK, and when you press OK, just take the top off, and then you do it. So OK. Oh, I think I did that a bit too soon, right? We'll try again. Okay. Be back when oh, never mind. It's loaded. Okay, let's try again. Now, just click that. Okay, and my screen is touchscreen, so I am going to do a touchscreen. It worked! Oh my freaking god, it worked! So, that hack's worked. So now we'll do the makeup pack where you apparently get free makeup. So you press, I'm going on to clothing and I don't know why. I know I'm not. So the hack literally is you press buy and I'll tell you when I find the eyes I want. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can get these lit. So what you literally do is you press buy and then you do it. So hold on. Oh, I've just messed up 1 minute, guys. Okay, so we literally press buy as soon as we press this. So, buy like that. Okay, that did not work. Oh god. Okay, right, we'll try that again. So, buy. No, okay, so this glitch does not work. So, that's all I've got for today, but today's shout out goes to Lover Girl 789 Kiss, and she's best. So go add her as a friend on UK user, and also check out YouTube as it is mal.x. Okay guys, so this is it for today. So if you have any ideas for new videos, just comment below. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you later. Bye.